Bitcoin money cost genuinely equivalent to $120.04 a coin, which really is genuinely critical. The present exchange cost range, 117.11 121.01, which essentially is genuinely critical. The earlier day close, 117.46, which certainly is very huge. The change by and large was plus 2.58, plus 2.20%, which is very huge. Opposite rate, USD to BCH in a kind of large manner. Bitcoin money value expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month, which generally is very critical. Bitcoin money cost expectation on Monday, May 8, cost $115, genuinely greatest 123, all things considered, least 107 in an unobtrusive way. Bitcoin money estimate on Tuesday, May 9, cost $116, exceptionally greatest 124, kind of least 108, which especially is genuinely huge. Bitcoin money cost forecast on Wednesday, May 10, cost $118, really most extreme 126, sort of least 110, which truly is genuinely huge. Bitcoin money figure on Thursday, May 11, cost $117, genuinely most extreme 125, truly least 109, truly in opposition to mainstream thinking. In multi-week Bitcoin money cost forecast on Friday, May 12, cost $115, lovely most extreme 123, certainly least 107 in an especially enormous way. Bitcoin money estimate on Monday, May 15, cost $117, certainly greatest 125, for the most part least 109, or so they explicitly thought. Bitcoin money cost forecast on Tuesday, May 16, cost $118, especially most extreme 126, certainly least 110, which fundamentally is genuinely huge. Bitcoin money gauge on Wednesday, May 17, cost $117, exceptionally most extreme 125, exceptionally least 109, especially in spite of mainstream thinking. Bitcoin money cost forecast on Thursday, May 18, cost $114, exceptionally most extreme 122, genuinely least 106 in a by and large significant manner. In about 14 days Bitcoin money conjecture on Friday, May 19, cost $115, genuinely most extreme 123, exceptionally least 107. By and large further appearance how Bitcoin money figure on Monday, May 15, cost $117, genuinely greatest 125, for the most part least 109, which essentially is genuinely huge. Bitcoin money cost expectation on Monday, May 22, cost $114, extremely greatest 122, kind of least 106 in an unpretentious way. Bitcoin money conjecture on Tuesday, May 23, cost $112, beautiful most extreme 120, exceptionally least 104 and in every way that really matters, huge way. Bitcoin money cost forecast on Wednesday, May 24, cost $114, truly most extreme 122, lovely least 106, or so they truly thought. Bitcoin money conjecture on Thursday, May 25, cost $111, really most extreme 119, truly least 103, which certainly is very huge. In 3 weeks Bitcoin money cost forecast on Friday, May 26, cost $109, especially most extreme 117, genuinely least 101, or so they in a real sense thought. Bitcoin money conjecture on Monday, May 29, cost $102, most certainly greatest 109, least 95 in an unpretentious way. Bitcoin money cost expectation on Tuesday, May 30, cost $104, truly greatest 111, especially least 97 in a sort of large manner. Bitcoin money figure on Wednesday, May 31, cost $102, kind of most extreme 109, lovely least 95 in a truly significant way. Bitcoin money cost forecast on Thursday, June 1, cost $103, sort of most extreme 110, by and large least 96. In about a month Bitcoin money gauge on Friday, June 2, cost $103, in every practical sense, most extreme 110, especially least 96, which especially is genuinely huge. Bitcoin money cost forecast on Monday, June 5, cost $104, really greatest 111, fundamentally least 97 amazingly. Bitcoin money gauge on Tuesday, June 6, cost $106, truly greatest 113, sort of least 99, which fundamentally is genuinely huge. USD to BCH conversion scale pretty equivalent to 0.8331 coins per $100 in an exceptionally huge manner. Today, S-reach 0.8264 minus 0.8539, which generally is genuinely critical. The past day, as nearby 0.8514, showing how Bitcoin money cost expectation on Thursday, June 1, cost $103, by and large greatest 110, least 96. Change for now 0.0183, 2.15%. Genuinely further appearance how Bitcoin money cost expectation on Thursday, May 18, cost $114, most certainly greatest 122, especially least 106, certainly in spite of mainstream thinking. Dollar to Bitcoin money conjecture on Monday, May 8, cost 0.870 coins, lovely greatest 0.935, truly least 0.813, or so they basically thought. USD to BCH expectation on Tuesday, May 9, cost 0.862 coins, exceptionally greatest 0.926, for the most part least 0.806, and in an every practical sense, significant way. Dollar to Bitcoin money figure on Wednesday, May 10, cost 0.847 coins. Beautiful most extreme 0.909, especially least 0.794 in a very large way. USD to BCH forecast on Thursday, May 11, cost 0.855 coins. Truly greatest 0.917, extremely least 0.800 in an unpretentious way. In multi-week dollar to Bitcoin money gauge on Friday, May 12, costs 0.870 coins, in every way that really matters, greatest 0.935, lovely least 0.813 in an unpretentious way. USD to BCH expectation on Monday, May 15, costs 0.855 coins. All things considered, most extreme 0.917, sort of least 0.800 in a truly significant manner. Dollar to Bitcoin money figure on Tuesday, May 16, costs 0.847 coins, kind of greatest 0.909, kind of least 0.794 in an essentially significant manner. USD to BCH forecast on Wednesday, May 17, costs 0.855 coins, greatest 0.917, most certainly least 0.800, showing how Bitcoin money cost commonly equivalent to $120.04 a coin, most certainly as opposed to prevalent thinking. In about 14 days, USD to BCH expectation on Friday, May 19, costs 0.870 coins, sort of most extreme 0.935, lovely least 0.813, which in every way that really matters, is very huge. Dollar to Bitcoin money conjecture on Monday, May 22, costs 0.877 coins, exceptionally most extreme 0.943, by and large least 0.820, or so they explicitly thought. USD to BCH forecast on Tuesday, May 23, costs 0.893 coins, truly greatest 0.962, least 0.833 in a sort of large way. Dollar to Bitcoin money gauge on Wednesday, May 24, costs 0.877 coins, extremely greatest 0.9